a mouthful deliberately, returning a mouthful of vomit down the throat deliberately, menstruation or post-natal bleeding. Meaning, if they're fasting, then this will break their fast. Do they have to keep that fast again? Yes, right? An endoscopy. Now, endoscopy is when they put a camera down your throat. Because the lubricant they use is spray some stuff down your throat. It's very unpleasant, right? That will break your fast as well. Now, if a person eats or drinks deliberately in Ramadan, this will also necessitate expiation in the form of kafara. Okay? Now, again, if you want more information on that, speak to your local alim. But again, this is something we should refrain from, definitely. Okay. Now, special advice for fasting. Now, I didn't have to do a special slide for COVID, because at COVID time, the mas'ala, the rulings were very, very varied. Yeah, I think nearly every single day new rulings were coming out, whether it was regarding janazah, whether it was regarding in the masjid, whether it was regarding fasting. Because remember, the doctors and nurses had to wear full PPE. Now imagine what's that going to do when you're fasting? They're going to get completely dehydrated. Yeah? So there's lots of advice that we had to give. Now some of them here, I've left a few in here. If a fasting person struggles to continue their fast due to contracting COVID-19, it is permissible to break the fast and make up for it later. Individuals with confirmed suspected COVID with moderate severe symptoms or severe underlying health conditions can postpone their fast to a later date. A strong likelihood of falling extremely ill also permits postponing the fasts. Pregnant women and those breastfeeding are permitted to postpone their fasts if they fear harm to themselves and the children. Yeah? In the above cases, if a person thinks they may be able to fast or they are unsure, the fast must be attempted. During the day, if they struggle, they can break the fast. They only need to make it up. They don't need to do kafara. Okay?